Before buying a phone mount for your Mustang, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: VANMASS Military Grade Mount. First up is the VANMASS Military Grade Car Phone Holder. Priced at $25.97, what caught my attention was its military-grade certification and the impressive suction power. If you want your phone to stay secure on those bumpy Mustang roads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded suction cup gives you 85 pounds of holding power, which means even the heaviest phones won't budge, no matter how fast you're going. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees F to 194 degrees F and is compatible with 99% of vehicle types. Plus, the 360-degree rotation lets you adjust your phone for the best viewing angle while driving. Here's the thing though, if you stick it on a flat area, it's solid and won't disappoint. So if you're someone who drives on twisty roads and wants a reliable mount, this one's perfect. This is perfect for you if you insist on top-notch security for your phone. Skip this one if you prefer a more budget-friendly option without all the extra features. For the price, the stability and durability are hard to beat. Product number 2: Kifitan Versatile Holder. Next, we have the Kifitan Car Phone Holder. At just $9.99, it's a steal. The flexible mounting options caught my eye. It can be attached to the windshield, dashboard, or air vent. If you want a straightforward solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This mount features a powerful double-lock suction cup that holds firm even on the bumpiest roads. It extends from 6.5 to 8.1 inches, letting you find the ideal distance for easy access. Plus, it's designed for all smartphones, accommodating even those with thick cases. This means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. However, some users noted that the suction might lose its grip after a while, especially in extreme temperatures. But honestly, if you regularly clean the surface before mounting, it should stick well enough. It's a great fit for someone who needs a decent phone holder without the fuss. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet reliable option. Skip this one if you're looking for military-grade durability. For under $10, it offers great value. Product number 3: ANDERY Magnetic Mount. The ANDERY Car Phone Holder is next on our list, priced at $26.99. This one's unique with its magnetic feature, which had me intrigued. If you want easy access to your phone while driving, this is worth a serious look. Its magnetic strength can hold up to 2,400 GF, which is insane, and you won't have to worry about your phone falling off during turns or bumps. It works perfectly with all MagSafe devices and is compatible with a magnetic ring for non-MagSafe phones. The 360-degree rotation makes it easy to switch between landscape and portrait modes, which is great for navigation or video calls. Now, some users did mention that it might not be as stable for very heavy phones, especially with thick cases. But honestly, if you keep your phone under about 50 phones' weight, you'll be totally fine. This is ideal if you value convenience and fast access to your device. This is perfect for you if you love MagSafe accessories. Skip this one if you want a more traditional mount. The strong magnets mean you won't be messing with clamps or grips. Product number 4: LISEN Cup Holder. At number 4, we have the LISEN Cup Holder Phone Holder, priced at $18.96. The height-adjustable feature caught my attention. If you want a flexible solution that keeps your phone at eye level, this is worth a serious look. This mount fits snugly into your cup holder and can be adjusted from 10 to 12.4 inches, giving you the perfect angle without blocking your view. It's made from durable materials, reducing shaking and ensuring your phone stays in place. The clamp accommodates all phones from 4 to 7 inches, including larger models with thick cases. However, some users felt that it might be a bit too tall for smaller vehicles or sports cars. But I'll be real with you. Adjusting the height helps accommodate most cars, so it's something to consider. This holder is great for anyone whose car features a cup holder. This is perfect for you if you prefer a setup that keeps your phone at eye level. Skip this one if your car doesn't have a cup holder. It's a solid value for its versatility. Product number 5, Lamicall 3-in-1 Holder. Finally, we have the Lamicall car phone holder available for $15.99. This one really stands out with its 3-in-1 design, suction cup, vent clip, and a great build quality. If you want versatile mounting options, this is worth a serious look. The holder has a strong suction cup that can hold up to 70 pounds and is reusable too. It features a solid metal hook that secures the vent clip, making it less likely to loosen on bumpy rides. Plus, the flexible positioning allows for 360-degree rotation, making it easy to get the right angle. However, it's not suitable for round or diagonal vents, which can be a deal breaker for some. But honestly, if your car has traditional vents, you'll be just fine. This is a great pick for those who like multiple mounting options. This is perfect for you if you want a mount that adapts to different setups. Skip this one if your vents are round or diagonal. For the price and functionality, it's hard to beat. In conclusion, we've covered the VANMASS for its military-grade stability, Kifatan for being budget-friendly, ANDERY for its magnetic convenience, LISEN for its height adjustability, and Lamicall for its versatile mounting options. Each has its own strengths, so consider your specific needs when choosing the best phone mount for your Mustang.